Hey y'all, so it's Damon here from Deco Exchange, and one of the most important things that we can do for our business is show up everywhere. So I want to show you guys how we use Maker's Marketing Hub, our own software, to start to distribute our content on multiple platforms, all right? So this is under marketing in our social planner, and we're gonna press new post, create a new post. We're gonna choose the social media accounts that we want to post to. So I'm going to go with Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. I'm going to create a reel for those. Short on YouTube. Invite collaborators. Let's do. Let's click on that video. We're doing day 3. So I'm going to post a little quick video that says, do you clean your work table after every week? We're going to customize it for each channel. Put some context in here. Some hashtags. And we're even going to automate the first comment. All right, let's go to Instagram. Give ourselves some hashtags. The old TikTok. Pinterest. We're going to send the Pinterest people to our website. Choose our board. All right. So we've got Facebook Reel, we've got an Instagram Reel, we've got a TikTok video, a Pinterest pin, and a YouTube video. Now I can just post all of those at the same time.